If you want to enhance your iCloud security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account Settings or Settings where you can manage your devices. Step 3. View devices. In Account Settings, find the section that lists all devices associated with your Apple ID. This will show you a complete list of devices currently linked to your iCloud account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. From the list of devices, identify the old device you want to remove. Click on it to view more details and options related to the specific device. Step 5. Remove the device. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete next to the device details. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully remove the device from your iCloud account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your iCloud security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.